Every second, every minute, and every hour, we are guilty of committing our crimes. They have witnessed, they have seen, and they have experienced the destruction we've caused. All the disaster that killed thousands of lives, our terrible fate is about to come. The clock is ticking. Stop this madness before it's too late.
I want to live.
Gusto ko pang mabuhay.
Ganahan pa kong mabuhi.
Gusto na ko mabuhi.
Green Earth, Bright Future, a campaign to raise awareness about environmental sustainability and promote actionable steps that individuals and communities can take to protect and preserve our planet.
Every action counts. Highlights the significance of individual actions in creating a collective impact of the environment. Sustainable living for a brighter future. Encourage people to adopt sustainable practices in their daily lives to ensure a healthier and greener future for generations to come.
Together we make a difference. Let us emphasize the importance of community involvement and collaboration to tackle environmental challenges effectively.
Establish partnerships and local businesses, NGOs, and governmental organizations to implement green initiatives. Encourage businesses to adopt sustainable practices like recycling, energy-efficient operations, and eco-friendly packaging.
Utilize popular social media platforms to reach a wide audience. Create engaging content, including informative posts, inspiring stories, and interactive challenges related to sustainability. Encourage users to share their eco-friendly practices and tag their friends, amplifying the campaign's reach.